Name on your paper. First thing. Number 1. Order the bugs from longest to shortest by writing the bug names on the lines. Use centimeter cubes to check your answer. Write the length of each bug in the space to the right of the pictures. Okay, so the bugs from longest to shortest are, but we have to figure out how many centimeters long they each are first. So let's do the fly. So the fly is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters long. Go ahead and use your centimeter cubes to measure how long the caterpillar is and how long the bee is. Write your answers next to them. If you're not done yet, you can pause and finish. But our next step is to write the bugs from longest to shortest. So if your longest bug is the caterpillar, then you would write caterpillar on the line. Then write your next longest one and then your shortest one. If you're not done writing everything down yet, you can pause it. I'm going to flip over to the other side. Here we go with number 2. Order the objects below from shortest to longest using the numbers 1, 2, and 3. Use your centimeter cubes to check your answers and then complete the sentences for problems D, E, F, and G. Okay, so for A, B, and C, we need to write the numbers 1, 2, and 3, 1 being the shortest, 3 being the longest. So let's get out some centimeter cubes. And this is a noisemaker. So measure the noisemaker. Do the balloon. Here's a present. So let's get down to D first. We're going to go out of order here. It's just going to help us organize a little bit better. So the present is about blank centimeters long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The noisemaker is about blank centimeters long. The noisemaker is up here. Go ahead and count and write how many centimeters long the noisemaker is. And then for F, the balloon is about blank centimeters long. Write how many in there. And now we'll come back up to A, B, and C. Remember, they wanted us to order the objects from shortest to longest. So we know that the balloon is the shortest, so that's number 1. Okay. The noisemaker or the present, which one's shorter? The present, right? So that's the next shortest. We'll put that as 2. And then the noisemaker was the longest, so we'll put that as 3. Let's skip back down to G. The noisemaker is about blank centimeters longer than the present. Okay. If we were to take the noisemaker cubes and line them up with the present cubes, we can see much easier how much longer the noisemaker is than the present. So go ahead, it looks like if I were to break it off right here, this would be how much longer the noisemaker is. So go ahead and write that number right here. That tells me that it's this many longer than the present. Okay, next paper. Use your centimeter cubes to model each length and answer the question. Write a statement for your answer. Okay, Peter's toy T-Rex is 11 centimeters tall and his toy Velociraptor is 6 centimeters tall. How much taller is the T-Rex than the Velociraptor? Okay, so we have the T-Rex is 11 centimeters tall and the Velociraptor is 6 centimeters tall. So it wants to know how much taller the T-Rex is than the Velociraptor. It wants us to use centimeter cubes, so I'm going to line up 11 centimeter cubes for the T-Rex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to put T for T-Rex, and I'm just going to put a line from here to here. That shows 11. Let's do the Velociraptor next. That had 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you need to write a statement on how much taller the T-Rex is. So we would have, like right here is where they would be the same. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra centimeter cubes for the T-Rex. So that means that the T-Rex is 5 centimeters taller than the Velociraptor. So that's what we need to say. The T-Rex is 5 centimeters taller. The T-Rex is 5 centimeters taller. Period. Number 4, if you're not done writing yet, you can pause. Here we go. Miguel's pencil rolled 17 centimeters, and Sonia's pencil rolled 9 centimeters. How much less did Sonia's pencil roll than Miguel's? So to set this up, you need 17 centimeters for Miguel, and Sonia, her pencil rolled 9 centimeters. So you need to set this up, 17 centimeters and 9 centimeters. Your statement will look something like this. Sonia's pencil rolled blank centimeters less. It is your job to set up your centimeter cubes, 17 and 9, and to figure out how much less Sonia's pencil rolled. And you need to write that number here in the blank. Okay, if you're not done yet, you'll have to push pause. I'm going to move on to number 5. Tanya makes a cube tower that is 3 centimeters taller than Vince's tower. If Vince's tower is 9 centimeters tall, how tall is Tanya's tower? Okay, so Tanya's is 3 centimeters taller. Vince's is 9 centimeters. So let's figure this out together. Let's do Vince. His is 9 centimeters tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll do the T for Tanya. Now hers is not 3 centimeters tall, it's 3 centimeters taller than Vince's. So we need to have all of his 9 centimeters, and then we need to do 3 more, right? Because it's 3 taller. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right now they're the same length or height, but we want Tanya's to be 3 centimeters taller. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3 more. So how tall is Tanya's tower? So we'll write Tanya's tower is, write in how many blank centimeters. Okay. When you're done, put it in the done tub. If you don't get enough time, put it in the to be finished tray.